spraying the legs as well, Daddy. Daddy, I'm spraying the legs as well. Don't mind all this makeup at the moment. I just finished recording a clothing haul. Also be sure to check that out if you're interested. Okay, welcome back. As you can see, I'm outside and this is the chair that I will be transforming into white glossy finish. So yeah, this is how it looks. It's a high chair. And I'll also be spray painting. Let me show you. Also, I'll be spray painting a table in the color light gray. So I'll be using this sanding tool that was bought from Lidl, I believe. Yeah, from Lidl. If I can find it, I'll leave it in the description below. Okay, so that's my dad fixing it for me. Ready? Ready? Oh, it burst. I'm looking to press this and it back. My dad is testing it out. Okay, so I'll be wearing this mask to prevent the dust from going in my face. My mom made this for me. I love it. It fits perfect. Thank you, Auntie Charm, handmade, for this lovely piece. £5. Can't go wrong. I have a paintbrush that I'm going to use to dust it off. Use a bigger paintbrush. Let's see how this sander works. Not really that effective, is it?
I don't think that's working. What the hell?
Not really that effective, Poundland sandpaper. So now it's time to spray paint.
Yay! That's my favorite part. Hey!
I would recommend to get something to wipe it off after you've used the paintbrush. But what I'm going to use, let me look this up.
That's
Some
no.
use-
That's no.
Does you know what?
Stop.
using my dad's sock. Hello, Tella. These are the spray paints that I've been using. I've been using this one before, so I'm going to try and finish this one. I think it's right here, but this one is very full, so yeah. Okay, so nothing is really in this. Alright, I'm gonna change. I'm going to change because I don't want to mess up my clothes, so I'm going to change in something more mess up a little. I've changed off in something that I don't mind messing up.
I'm going to watch.
I'm going to try the Wilko brand. That one is, this brand is from Turner&Gray. This one is Wilko's brand, so I'm going to try Wilko. Come on. Oh. So it's running down. It's a bit dripping. I need my mask. It's blowing in my face.
Yeah, and I use my umbrella.
My hands aching.
No, I feel cappuccino.
Almost finished. I'm not sure one can will do the trick, but I have another, so yeah, good. Wear gloves if you don't want messy hands. So this is finally finished, so I'll be moving on to the Turner&Gray spray paint. I think one coat would be enough for this one because it's an outside chair, so yeah, one coat. So this one is much better, the Turner&Gray. It's not really runny like the Wilko branded one. So I'm just touching up the white layer. So I finished spray painting the high chair. So now I'm going to spray paint this, just the legs and this area, into a light gray with these borders that my dad put. I don't like it, so I might get a decorative tape and I might tape it here. I'm spraying the legs as well. Daddy, I'm spraying the legs as well. Okay, so let's get into this time lapse. Hey, look at that. Look on that. Look on that. It's dripping. I forgot to sand it down. But, oh well, let's get on. So because it's dripping, I'm going to use a paintbrush.
I'm not tasting water. I wash my milk card because someone chocolate and now
It's dripping, so yeah, I'm using the paintbrush. Also, I'd like to mention again that I prefer the Turner&Gray spray paint rather than the Wilko brand. This is a bit runny and watery. Okay, so that's it for this video. Thank you for joining me. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like anything in this video. I'll leave the link for everything that I've mentioned in this video in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Yeah, check out my previous graphic t-shirt design clothing haul if you haven't already. So yeah, bye.
You know why you clean and look like somebody beat me. I know why you clean and look like somebody beat me. I'm my life, love me, let me risk it. Know why you clean and look like somebody beat me. I dem a low pop champagne.